Sebaste is a component city in the province of Antique, Philippines. The name Sebaste is believed to have originated from the Spanish word Sebastopol, meaning venerable city. This naming convention was common during the Spanish colonial era, where newly established settlements were often given grant or religious titles. The local dialect Kinaraya does not offer a distinct etymological explanation for the name Sebaste itself, suggesting its roots are primarily external to indigenous linguistic origins. Historically, Sebaste has been an agricultural community, with its economy largely driven by farming and fishing. The city is known for its serene environment and its proximity to natural attraction within the province of Antique. Visitors can explore the nearby Malalison Island and pristine paradise, offering stunning beaches and snorkeling opportunities. The local culture is rich with traditions and festivals, reflecting the resilient spirit of the people of Antique. The city is also a gateway to other parts of the province, making it a convenient base for exploring the diverse landscape and cultural heritage of Antique. Reverend Father Eugenio P. Berto was an Italian priest who served as parish priest of Sebaste Antique from 1958 until his death in 1977. He is known for his efforts of alleviate poverty in Sebaste through various social programs. He established St. Blaise High School and helped create jobs for locals through overseas employment opportunities. Father Daberto worked tirelessly to empower the poor, increasing agricultural yield and helping families to earn living that allowed them to improve their quality of life. He is remembered as a selfless priest who dedicated himself to serving the people of Sebaste. The municipal center of Sebaste is situated at approximately 11 degree 35 north and 122 degree 6 east in the island of Panay. Elevation at these coordinates is estimated at 8.7 meters or 28.4 feet above mean sea level. Igpasungo Falls. Sebaste Igpasungo Falls is one of the hidden gems of Sebaste Antique, considered as one of the best natural attractions in the town. It is a series of cascading waterfalls around 3 kilometers away from the National Highway. The best shallow lagoon at the base of the waterfall is a perfect opportunity to cool off in the fresh, cool waters while marveling in the lush jungle surrounds. To enjoy this hidden gem, you have to endure 1 hour of trek. The Patuyaw Festival. The Patuyaw, a freshwater shrimp which thrive abundantly in the stream, river, brooks and creeks in the municipality, and is a good source of nutrition and living of the people, symbolizes the abundance of nature which sustains life for the Sebastianon and the precarious relationship between the people and the environment. San Blas de Antique, the Holy Bishop of Sebaste Antique. In the province of Antique, located in Panay Island, there is a local pilgrimage site that is frequently visited by devotees and the faithful over the centuries. Due to its miracles, the parish of St. Blaise, one of the early bishop martyrs of our faith, famous for the patronage against throat problems and diseases. In his parish in Sebaste, named after the actual see that he administered in his lifetime, his health is sought after and it can still be seen with the number of devotees visiting him, especially on his feast day.
Bukid noon, nagapitik